Hey, good morning everyone. It is Coffee and Questions time. We're super excited to show you our new wall.
The girls, Mom and Amy, they painted this wall and they hung up all the signs, almost all the signs. Mom's keeping a couple in her office. I have the one from Jeff in my office. But all the signs that you guys have made us over the years.
Yeah. Probably over the last 7, 8, 9 years.
Yeah.
We couldn't fit all of them up here, but again, we have some different places, but this was really cool. This is kind of the centerpiece. This is actually a mirror that my sister had made for my dad about 40-something years ago. Super happy with this. The girls did a phenomenal job.
Yeah, it really looks nice.
So thank you guys so much.
A couple announcements. Don't forget that this is the last week for the giveaway. It's the last week that you have to enter into the giveaway for the rigid router and sander combo. Fully modified with our base plate on it. Yeah. It's like a
It's way over $200.
Yeah, way over $200 value. For every $50 you order on the website, you get one entry, and we're going to be giving it away on the 7th of April on the Friday Night Live. I'll put a link with all the details in the description below.
For those of you that are premium members and executive members, I have all of those videos, or the stencils of the month, which is exclusive content just for premium members and executive members. If you guys send me an email and you want that list of all those links to all of those videos, be sure and just shoot me an email, eric@makeawoodsign.com, and I'll shoot it right back to you.
Also, April 12th is when the new schedule starts. So April 12th is a Wednesday, and we're going to be doing bigger, better projects. They're going to be a little bit longer videos. There's going to be a lot more editing, and we're redoing some stuff, and it's going to be one video a week starting April 12th. And that's going to be on the YouTube channel. The Friday videos like Coffee and Questions, Sign Carvers of the Day, the Template of the Month, all that stuff, that's going to be exclusive content, but it's free. All you got to do is get on the emailing list, and I'll put a link in the description below. You can hop on there, put your information in, and we will email you the links to all those videos every Sunday. But we're pretty excited about the new scheduling. We'll be able to put more time into the projects themselves, do bigger stuff. We got some awesome stuff planned.
Yeah, we got some really cool stuff planned. One other thing is we are now on Rumble. If you guys are not on Rumble yet, you got to go check it out. I got to say, Rumble's pretty cool.
It is.
It's got some really cool. So all of our videos from the last month or two are all on Rumble. We're working at trying to get the prior videos, but that might take a while. But we are on Rumble, so if you guys are on Rumble, go check us out over there. All right, let's move on to the questions. So the first question is from Gerard. It says, I must be doing something wrong. When I use a profile bit, I get one carving out of it and it goes completely dull. I'm using a 2.5 horsepower Hercules router from Harbor Freight, which I haven't used that router, but I've heard good things about the Hercules tools. What happened was Gerard sent me pictures of the sign he did, and he did a huge sign about the size of our tabletop here, and he carved it all with the profile bit. The background, inset letters, outset letters, everything was done with the profile bit. Guys, if that's what you're doing, that's not what it's designed for. Profile bit is designed mostly to do around the outset letters, and then if you want to, you can use it for inset letters, but it's really made to do fine detail. When you do a lot of carving with that profile bit, you will dull it. If you overwork it, it will get dull. Generally speaking, you're going to get 15 or 20 signs out of it before it gets dull. So if you've got background to do, if you've got big inset letters, use that 90, use that 60, use those other bits that are made to take out a lot of wood. The profile bit just isn't designed for that. So that's the reason it went dull.
All right, and so now we got a few questions from Bob. The first one, he says, how thick is the router base plate for the Porter Cable 6902 router? So all of our base plates are made out of 1/4 inch acrylic. So there's just no reason to make them any thicker than that, any thinner than that, and they're a little bit too brittle. But the biggest reason that we make them clear is so you can see through them. So all of our router bases are a 1/4 inch acrylic.
Next question. It says, I'm going to order some of the many items you're selling, one of which is the Gone Fishing template. Is there a video number to watch? The Gone Fishing is one of our monthly stencils, so you can only see the video for that if you are a premium member or an executive member. Fortunately, Bob is a premium member, so I sent it to him. If you're a premium member or executive member and you haven't seen them yet, let me know and I'll send them to you.
For all the premium and executives, thank you guys for the support. Yeah. We really appreciate it. All right, the third question, you've mentioned in the past, but I forgot. What is the best type of letters to use as a beginner routing freehand? So the best letters that we have are the fatty font. They're very round. They don't have many sharp points, many fine corners to get in or anything like that. They're really, really forgiving and they look good. It's not like they're, you know, they don't look like beginner letter. The fatty font is definitely the best way to start out with. I'd say 1.5 inches would probably be the easiest ones to go.
Yeah. Next, we have, let's see, another question from Bob. It says, I'm going to order the small beer mug template. The video Ryan did a couple weeks ago on the large beer mug template. He said to email Vicky, could you send me a copy of the enlarged mug? We do have the large beer mug on the website right now. So if you go in and look for beer mug, there's the small one, about 3.5 tall, and then there's the big beer mug. I think it's 9 inches by 6 inches.
Yeah, I think so.
That's the one that we did the little bottle opener scrap wood challenge video on, which came out really good. So it's really a cool little stencil or template. But yeah, it's available on the website, so you can see it there.
All right, guys. So that's the questions, and this is the sign wall. Let us know what you guys think, and also let us know what you think about the new schedule. I think it's going to be really good, but let us know what you guys think.
Yeah, so expect to see bigger projects, more on-location stuff. We've got some really cool ideas for on-location stuff. There'll be a Wednesday project video. There'll be the Sunday video, which will go out to the email list, just like normal. Thanks so much. Toast to you guys.
Black Rifle Coffee. We've been drinking a lot of this stuff.
Yeah, it's keeping us going.
Yes, it is.
Anyway, thanks again, guys, so much, and we love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.